Cole here with Logan Coach Trailers. Today we're excited to take you through a customer build. This is the Ultimate Sport Crawler, our fully customizable platform. We want to take you through this trailer, show you some of the features and upgrades that this customer did so that when you order your trailer, you know some of the things that you can add to yours. One of the cool features that this customer added was these rock slide R-steps, which makes it super convenient to get up and down off the deck when you're loading your vehicle. In each one of these storage compartments underneath the deck, you've got 12 volt USB plugs, you've got 110 volt plugs, and then you've got a light. And that is standard in each one of these compartments. This trailer has 8,000 pound axle standard. This customer upgraded to 17.5 tires with Alcoa wheels. So once you've unloaded your vehicle, you can set up your outdoor living space. Roll out your canopy, set up your table, and ultimately, you've expanded your living quarter footprint. So to enhance your outdoor experience, we've added these optional scene lights, along with these outdoor speakers that run off the stereo system inside the trailer. So we have a variety of cabinets that you can add to the backside of this trailer. This particular customer optioned this with the rock slide overhead cabinets, one on each side, along with the rock slide strap box. Broke down rig, need to get it back on the trailer? Not a problem if you have that worn 10S winch. Pull your line, attach your soft shackle to the provided D-ring, and then run it through your setup. You're ready to go. For peace of mind, you can add the camera that mounts on the back of the trailer. Keep an eye on your ride while you're going down the road. It comes with a monitor that you can mount in your vehicle, or you can send us the vehicle specific wire harness and we can install that for you. In versatility, you can order this side ramp package. It comes with 2 side ramps, 2 crossover ramps. It's designed to be able to drive your ATV or your side-by-side up here, span the belly, park it, and then move your ramp package down and stack your vehicles the length of the trailer. Come off the trail, need to air up your rig? We've got the solution. Onboard air compressor. Plugs into the plugs on the inside of the storage box. Hook up your hose. You're set to air up your rig. Off grid, need power. How about a 4,000 watt Onan generator? Standard with a 20 gallon fuel tank. Need fuel for your rig? We got you covered. 50 gallon fuel station. So this trailer's got the optional front roll-up enclosure. Under this enclosure, you've got your spare tire. You've got your optional dual jacks. You got 30 pound propane tanks. And this has optional 100 amp lithium batteries. So when we're talking about the Ultimate model, we're not just talking about customization on the outside of the trailer, we're talking about customization on the inside of the trailer as well. We're standing inside this custom living quarters, 15 by 15 LQ, and I want to point out some of the options and features that this customer added to his LQ to make it his own. First of all, we've got the 2-tone cabinets. We've got the entertainment center, 32-inch TV, fireplace with dual stairs going up each side of the entertainment center. On the bedside, we've got an additional TV. In the slide out, we've got theater seating. When you come over into the kitchen area, we've got black subway tile. We've got the black stainless sinks, as well as the extended fold-up countertop. When you step into the bathroom, we've got an extra large shower. We've got the sink, we've got the toilet, as well as the continuation of the black subway tile behind the sink. The other option that he added on here was a 190 watt solar panel to keep the batteries charged, keep the lights going, and to give him that additional power without running the generator. Both the standard and the Ultimate Sport Crawler have a variety of living quarter sizes as well as deck lengths. But if you're wanting to customize, if you're wanting to put your touches on it and make it your own, then the Ultimate is the trailer for you. Logan Coach, built to last.